When you're launching a startup, getting early traction isn't just helpful, it's essential. Growth hacking is all about using creative, resource efficient tactics to acquire users, generate buzz, and build momentum quickly. In this lesson, we'll break down proven growth hacking tactics that help early stage startups gain traction fast. First, understand what you're optimizing for. Traction doesn't mean going viral overnight. It means making consistent progress toward product market fit. Your goal is to find repeatable ways to attract, activate, and retain users. That starts with knowing your target audience inside and out. A common growth hack is the waitlist or invite-only launch. By limiting access and framing it as exclusive, you create curiosity and urgency. People want what they can't have. Combine this with referral rewards. Give users bonus access or features when they invite friends. Another effective tactic is leveraging communities. Find online spaces where your target users already hang out. Reddit threads, Slack groups, Facebook groups, Discord channels, and engage authentically. Answer questions, share insights, and gently introduce your product when it's relevant. Cold outreach can work too, if done right. Personalize your messages. Focus on how your product solves a specific problem. Don't blast generic emails. Instead, reach out to 10 to 20 potential users with a thoughtful note. Ask for feedback, not a sale. People are more likely to engage when they feel helpful, not sold to. Content marketing is another powerful early lever. Start a blog, publish on LinkedIn or Medium, or create videos that speak to your audience's problems. Focus on helpful, shareable content, not just product features. Over time, great content builds trust, SEO traffic, and authority. Don't underestimate the power of landing page experiments. Run paid ads on platforms like Google or Meta to test different messages, audiences, and conversion funnels. You'll learn what resonates and what doesn't before investing in full campaigns. Partnerships are another smart hack. Collaborate with other startups, influencers, or communities that share your audience. Offer co-branded content, webinars, or giveaways. This lets you tap into built-in trust and reach people faster than going solo. Build in virality. Design features that encourage sharing, whether it's referrals, social badges, invite links, or collaboration tools. Dropbox famously grew by offering free space when users invited friends. Think about what you can give that incentivizes users to spread the word. Product Hunt and AppSumo are launch platforms built for traction. These communities love discovering new tools. A successful launch here can generate thousands of visits in a single day. But don't show up cold. Engage with the community beforehand. Prep your pitch, and be ready to respond to feedback. Also, consider lo-fi hacks like launching on your personal network. Ask friends and peers to try your product, share it on LinkedIn, or write testimonials. Your first 100 users may come from people you already know. Don't overlook them. Measure everything. Use tools like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, or Hotjar to track traffic, clicks, signups, and drop-off points. Growth hacking is about testing fast, learning fast, and doubling down on what works. Above all, keep iterating. Not every tactic will stick. That's okay. The goal is to run fast experiments, stay close to your users, and find the channels that actually convert. Early traction isn't about spending big. It's about being smart, scrappy, and relentlessly curious. With the right mindset and a few sharp tactics, you can grow faster than you think. Let's start hacking your way to traction.